Hi everyone, welcome back to Sigma Sensors channel. Today our film is about how Everflow Liquid Level Sensor is monitoring the world. And in an area where precision and frequency reign supreme, the liquid management industry has formed a new champion in the form of the Everflow Liquid Level Sensor. This cutting-edge technology promises to revolutionize how industries across global monitor and control liquid levels in tanks, reservoirs, and pipelines. With unprecedented accuracy and frequency, this sensor not only enhances optional efficiency but also prevents potential hazards and minimizes wastage. And with its groundbreaking technology, unmatched accuracy and seamless integration capabilities, this Everflow level sensor is poised to transform liquid management across industries worldwide. From enhancing optional efficiency to mitigating risks and promoting stabilities, the sensor offers an area of benefits that will shape the future of liquid level monitoring, enhance the future of liquid management with the Everflow liquid level sensor, and unlocked unrivalable accuracy, efficiency, and safety. And here is our stream. And if you're interested in more information, just connect us